Hey, thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Julio and I am the Application Engineer Training Lead here at DesignPoint. I would like to share with you today some of the solvers that SOLIDWORKS simulation uses, and also where you can go to save your results, some of the options that you can use. Let's take a look at the available solvers in 2021 within SOLIDWORKS. So we have the Intel DirectSparse, FFE Plus, DirectSparse, Intel NetworkSparse, and the large problem DirectSparse. In 2021, SOLIDWORKS did update many of these solvers. I have arranged the list of solvers based on speed. The Intel DirectSparse is going to be a go-to choice for studies with less than 500 degrees of freedom. If you have a high-performance system and you want to have a solver that utilizes most of that performance, this is going to be your go-to. Then we can use the FFE Plus. So anytime your study begins to reach over 1 million degrees of freedom, you can choose to use this solver. What is good with this solver is that it becomes more efficient as your problem gets larger and larger. It will require less system resources, but it is susceptible to some convergence difficulties. We also have the DirectSparse. Once again, this one is going to become more efficient as you have more available memory in your computer. It's good for when you're using material with very different moduli of elasticity. Now, it can produce significant slowdown as you approach larger studies. Last one, we have the Intel NetworkSparse, and this is used for offloaded simulation. This can help you to free up your local resources as you can choose to run your simulations in outside computers. Now, this will require a SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium license. And last, we have the large problem DirectSparse. This is almost your last option for your solvers. So it may overcome any types of degrees of freedom limitations from some of the previous solvers that we have discussed. This will be the slowest of all solvers and uses disk space and RAM. To tell the software what simulation solver you wish to utilize, you will right-click on your study and you will select Properties. From here, you can see that under Solver, the software is automatically set to automatic. So if you set manual, you will have the option to select the other solvers that we've discussed previously. We'll choose the Intel DirectSparse and we can hit OK. Please keep in mind that based on the studies that you choose to run, some of these solvers may become unavailable. SOLIDWORKS Simulation gives you the option to enter where it is that you want your results to be saved. Ideally, you want to save them in a solid state drive. So if you have a computer with more than one hard drive, make sure that you can use the solid state drive. That will give you the best performance out of it. Let's take a look how we can do that inside SOLIDWORKS. Now, to tell the software where it is that you want to save your simulation results, you can right-click your study, come to Properties, and under the Options tab, right where it says Save Results, by default, it's going to try to save them exactly in the same location where your part is located. If you uncheck this, we can tell the software to save them in a different spot. You can simply click the Browse icon here and use Windows to look for your location.